Hi and welcome to this video where we present the HeadRay, our relative pointing technique for virtual reality. The main idea of our technique was to use the Mario armband, which can detect gestures and also has an IMU to detect the orientation of the arm. So to alter the direction of the ray, we use the relative movement of the arm. To reduce the amount needed, we also included a pointer acceleration function. This was received relatively well in our user survey. The main difficulty was especially to understand how exactly the acceleration function works. And one other issue was also the gesture recognition, which was really inconsistent for the different users. So the gesture is then used to activate the targeting phase and to do also the click. This is has the nice advantage that you only need one gesture and you are not having a second gesture for doing clutching. This was received relatively well, but was for some also a little bit too complex. So one enhancement that we added to our HeadRay was to include a depth marker as proposed by Van Necken et al. In their work about the depth ray. So the main idea is that all objects that are in front of the marker are made transparent and the object that is nearest to the marker is selected. This works really well, but in our user survey some had issues to control the moving of the marker through the arm rotation. But overall we think that the depth marker is a good way to handle occlusion in virtual reality. So the last adaptation we made to the HeadRay was to allow the manipulation of the position of an object. This is done by hovering over an object, and after 1 second it is attached to the ray. Then the user can alter the direction through the hand movement or also through the head movement. This worked really well and was also enjoyed by the user, and because it gave kind of a futuristic feeling. So this should give you a good impression how our technique works. And for further details, just see in the description. We further think that this technique can be adapted to other devices as well. So we adapted it to a motion controller, where it also worked really well. But for example, for devices like smartwatches, it would be also very interesting. So thanks again for watching and have a good day.